Okay, so this is what the nursery currently looks like. It looks kind of organized, but everything isn't really where like I plan on having it. This is full of stuff. There's books and stuff. Hey, what's this room? And then the closet is just kind of like a big mess of stuff. So I need to sort through this and separate like the newborn clothes because it's all just kind of like all the clothes right now. Okay, I just took everything off of these shelves, but my husband made these a few weeks ago. They are similar to the IKEA ones, but I think we paid like $12 for 3 of them, and the IKEA ones would have been $20 each. So I'm going to decorate these and put some books on them and stuff like that. Okay, so I started out by washing all of the baby clothes. I took all the tags and stickers and everything off, and I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of loads of laundry, including all of my cloth diapers and bedding, and basically all of the fabric items that I have I want to wash. Okay, so now I'm just sorting everything. I washed up until 6 months. I am kind of expecting to have a big baby who goes through sizes pretty quickly just because we were both pretty big babies. Also, Everest just cracked me up here. He just laid on my leg like that for so long. He has to be right beside me at all times. I've had so many people ask me if he's been different since I've been pregnant, and honestly, he's just always been like this, just like attached to me. But going through these tiny baby clothes, like the newborn and 0 to 3 month sizes, is so surreal. I can't believe that I'm going to have a baby that little so soon. Okay, so I separated all the clothes. This pile is 3 to 6 months. This stuff here, just basically those are tiny newborn, and then this is all 0 to 3 months. This is just like hanging stuff. I feel like it looks like more than it really is, but these are all just like onesies, long sleeve, short sleeve, pants, and like hanging stuff. So I'm just gonna keep all the 0 to 3 and the newborn stuff out because I feel like baby will be in 0 to 3 pretty quickly. And then the 3 to 6 month stuff, I am gonna fold and put away. Also, it's all washed as well. This is all cloth diapers that I'm still waiting for some of the inserts. And then I folded like the towels. There's bibs and hats and stuff over there. And then what you don't see is this gigantic mess. So I need to work on this. honestly, I am feeling super exhausted. It is so warm in my house right now, so I might either take a break or be done for the day. I'm not sure. I really wanted to get through some of the like breastfeeding stuff and put together like my little IKEA cart thing, so I might try to do that, but I'm feeling really drained. Also, I did film all of this on one day. I've just changed my outfit like 3 times because I had to go to the chiropractor and I had to wear, or I wanted to wear shorts and a t-shirt so that she could like easily see my belly, but I am back in a dress because anything with a waistband is just the worst. Okay, so basically I'm just putting everything away. As you can see, we don't actually have a dresser in this room. It's a really tiny room. We really need to keep the guest bed in the room. So instead we built out this closet with lots of storage. So basically everything will hopefully fit in this closet, hoping to stay pretty minimal with baby things like toys and clothes and stuff. So I think that this will encourage us to have less items as the months go on. Getting dark out now, but I'm pretty much done. Honestly, there was a point during there that I did not think that I was gonna get anywhere done by today. And there's definitely still stuff to do, but this is all set up. This stuff doesn't go in here. But that's all set up with books. And then the crib has clean bedding. This dog, it's my favorite spot. The guest bed is staying there. This is just like a basket because we're having a home birth, so this is like the beginning of my home birth supplies, the bassinet, and then this will go in our master bedroom eventually, as well as this cart thing. But this is pretty organized. I still want a different basket for this one, and then maybe there, I'm not really sure. And then there's some stuff at the bottom that I have to deal with still, and then I'll get my husband to hang this up because he'll just do a better job than I will. And then the slings will go on there. And this cart, like, I'll probably still have to kind of like change that up a little bit, but it's definitely more organized. All of the clothes are washed. So basically here to here is like 0 to 3/newborn, and then this stuff's a little bit bigger. Up here is 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, and then this is all my cloth diapers that we will eventually be using. The diaper bag isn't actually gonna live there. And then in here is like the 0 to 3 month onesies and 0 to 3 month pants. And then there's like a couple tiny little newborn things there, but I don't really have a lot of actual newborn stuff. I'm just finishing up. I am so exhausted and so warm and sweaty. But I got a lot done. I did all the laundry. I feel like it doesn't look that different in here than when I started, but everything is so much more organized and clean, and I definitely still have some stuff to do. I plan on doing several like stations around the house, so there's still stuff in here that will eventually go in other rooms or closets or like the bathroom or whatever, but it feels much better. I feel like things are organized and I feel like I have a good sense of what I have, and I honestly don't feel like I really need anything. I didn't know if I was gonna need like more of a certain size or whatever, but I feel like I'm doing pretty good on that, and I'm so out of breath. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this of me prepping my home for baby over the next few weeks. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.